If u is equal to log of tan x plus tan y plus tan z, then find sigma sine 2x into dou u by dou x. So the given function is u is equal to log of tan x plus tan y plus tan z. From this I want to find out dou u by dou x. So differentiate partially with respect to x. So dou u by dou x. So consider the entire term like x. Log x differential 1 by x. 1 by x. Into differential of inner term with respect to x. So tan x differential is secant square x, and other differentials are 0, because with respect to x, y differential 0, tan y z differential 0. So this is dou u by dou x. But we want sine 2x into dou u by dou x. So that I am going to multiply sine 2x on both sides. So sine 2x dou u by dou x is equal to sine 2x divided by tan x plus tan y plus tan z, and then this secant square x can be written as 1 by cos square x. And now sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x into cos x, and divided by tan x plus tan y plus tan z into 1 by cos square x. Now one cos term can be cancelled. So remaining sin x by cos x is tan x. So that this can be written as 2 tan x divided by tan x plus tan y plus tan z in the denominator. So we found sin 2x into dou u by dou x. Okay. Similarly, sin 2y dou u by dou y is equal to 2 tan y by same denominators, tan x plus tan y plus tan z. And similarly, sin 2z dou u by dou z is equal to 2 tan z divided by tan x plus tan y plus tan z. Okay, next we have to find out sigma sin 2x dou u by dou x. This sigma represents sum of all the three variables x, y, z. So sum of three variables means sin 2x dou u by dou x plus sin 2y dou u by dou y plus sin 2z dou u by dou z. So we found all the three values. So the first value is 2 tan x divided by tan x plus tan y plus tan z, plus for this y term is 2 tan y divided by tan x plus tan y plus tan z. Last z term also 2 tan z divided by tan x plus tan y plus tan z. So all the terms having same denominators. So this can be written as tan x plus tan y plus tan z. In the numerator we can take 2 outside. So 2 into tan x plus tan y plus tan z. So tan x plus tan y plus tan z can be cancelled. So the answer is 2. So this is the answer of the problem.